In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Instagram is not working on your laptop or computer. So I'm going to be showing you a couple different ways to fix this, especially if it's your Reels page. I'm also going to be showing you a solution for that. So the first thing you need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down to settings, and then click on privacy and security from the left hand side. Then from here, click on delete browsing data, and you just want to make sure that cookies and other site data is checked like so. Change the time range to all time, and then go ahead and press delete data. So that's going to go ahead and restart your browser, and once it's restarted, you can check to see if that's now solved the Instagram issue. If it's still not working, click back on the three vertical dots, scroll back down to settings, and this time we're going to scroll all the way down and select about Chrome. Now from here, just make sure you're running the latest version of your internet browser. So for me, I'm using Google Chrome, and you can see here that it's fully up to date. Now if there are any pending updates, just go ahead and install those now, and once again, you can try checking if that solved the issue. Now if that's not working, or specifically it's just the Reels page that's not working, then what you can do to fix this is come over to your start menu and just search for adjust the appearance, and then click on this window here, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now all you need to do is make sure that this first option, animate controls and elements inside Windows, make sure this has a blue tick next to it, and then press apply and OK. And once you've done that, you'll need to restart your browser, and then when you head back over to the Instagram page, that should have now fixed any issues you were having, especially with the Reels page specifically. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.